So Nina's trying bananas for the first time. And even though she's wearing all of it, she seems to kind of like it. And seems to be asking for more. So let's see. You want to try some more, Nina? Let's see here. Let's see how she does. Good job. Is it all going to come out now? Most likely. Let's see here. She likes the spoon. So far she likes the bananas. Little bananas and rice cereal. You like it? Yeah, not bad, huh? The rice cereal alone was not such a hit. The bananas? You want to try? Not that the bananas are really any better. I'm not sure we've learned how to swallow anything other than what comes out of a bottle or a boob. Yep, it's all coming out the front end.